Hello, I'm back. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Vesna, and I just took a little 3-week hiatus because I was studying for an exam, actually 2 exams, and I passed both, so yay! Anyway, I'm here today with the Boxycharm unboxing. Thought I'd ease back into filming since I haven't done it in 3 weeks. But yeah, I thought I actually got my box this month pretty early. Today's the 11th or something, and I got it a couple days ago, so that was weird because I don't normally get my boxes this early. I'm not complaining. Before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up, and you can follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. Let's dive right in. So I haven't really taken a peek in here, I kind of did, but not fully. So, ooh, actually some good stuff in here. What is this? Okay, so this is from Frank Body. It's the glow mask. It's caffeinated, and I think that this is a face mask. Yeah, so we're gonna do this first because I just woke up. So I need a little morning face mask, I guess. This retails for $21.95, and it's a moisturizing face mask, and it reduces puffiness, gives skin extra life. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. Natural and cruelty-free, and it only takes 5 minutes. So we are going to apply this. I'm just going to apply a generous amount all over the face and wait 5 minutes. It doesn't have it's not a super strong smell, and it doesn't even feel like it has a smell, but there's it's something kind of I don't know how to describe it. It's almost like Play-Doh. Just it's a scent, but not it's not perfumed. Alright, I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes, and then I will be back and we can do the rest of my makeup. Okay, I'm back. My skin feels smooth. I don't know if it looks any more glowy really. It just kind of feels like I washed my face, so we'll see. I know a lot of people like this brand, so I don't know. I have a lot of skincare, so I probably won't use it for a while. The next thing in the box, I'm actually kind of excited for this one. Do you hear all those birds? Jesus Christ. This is the Farsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. And I think I'm just going to use this as a moisturizer after that little cleanse. I don't think I've heard anyone talk about this. Yeah, apply a few drops to damp skin before creams. So I can use this morning and night. And this retails for $24, which actually I feel is pretty on the cheap side for Farsali. They tend to be a little bit more expensive. Ooh, it's clear. I thought it was going to be a cloudy thing. Alright, I'm just going to put some... Oh, it's very thick. It's like a gel almost. Alright. Oh, this feels really nice. And then I'm just going to go in with my Rose Ceramide Cream from Pixi. I got this palette. It's the Editor palette from Ciate London. I took a peek in here and it looks beautiful. I'm very excited about it. So I'm going to do probably something simple. But look at this packaging. How cute is that packaging? And then when you open it up, it has this huge ass mirror. So, and it's really nice quality mirror. Sometimes I feel palettes have really shitty mirrors, but this one's really, really nice. And here are the colors. I mean, they're all really pretty. And it looks like there's more shimmers than matte. There's only 1, 2, I only see 4 mattes. And then the rest are shimmers or kind of metallic colors. So yeah, I think maybe we'll play around with some purples or maybe the blues. This green is kind of catching my eye. That palette retails for $32. And then I also got these Luxie brushes, which if you've been following me for a while, you know I love Luxie brushes. And they're always in Boxycharms and stuff. And it came with this cute little pouch, which I think is nice because you don't want your brushes and your makeup kind of like being together because it could maybe, I don't know, get all over the brushes and stuff. But it came with 1, 2, 3, 4. It came with 4 brushes and 1 spoolie, so they look really nice. I really, really like their brushes. So it's really interesting that this set came with a spoolie because it didn't come with an eyebrow pencil. I don't know, that's kind of strange. But this set from Luxie retails for $40. So it's basically like, it's like $10 for these brushes, and you get an extra spoolie if you want to kind of think of it that way. But I'm going to just take this blender right here. You hear Lola? She's like, every time I sit down to film, like everyone just wants to make all the noise in the world. Alright, I'm just going to go in with this light tan shade right here. Actually, I'm gonna prime my eyes first because I never do. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this light kind of tan shade here and just buff that all over. There's quite a bit of fallout with this one. So it's kind of like a peachy shade. I think I'm going to take this one right here. It's like a light purple. And I'm going to just pop that all over my lid. Okay. Then I'm going to take this deeper purple. And they're both shimmers, just in case you're wondering. Oh, this is actually like, it's like kind of like a, it doesn't look like it would. But I want to just put it over here. I don't know. I'm not getting the best first impression off of these shadows. They're kind of like hard to build up. Blend the outside with just a clean brush. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really feeling this palette yet. I mean, it looks pretty. I just need to, I think I need to play with it some more. Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. So, rest of my makeup is done. And the last thing in the box is just this Ace Beauty Draw It lip liner, and it's actually a duo, so there's 2 in here. I'm gonna swatch both and then I'll decide on which one I want to use. Let me see. I don't think you're like supposed to do them together necessarily. I think it's just that they gave you 2 colors, so we'll see. Oh, this one got a little bit messed up, but it's a twist up pencil, which I like. And then this one, ooh, it's very sharp. This one's just like a red. So these are the 2 colors. I'm probably going to go with the more nude one today. This duo retails for $16. Ooh, I like that. It doesn't feel like it's gonna like move around at all. You know what I mean? I think that Farsali thing is like peeling. I have this like stuff on my neck. I don't know. I'm just gonna go in with a lipstick on top. Yeah, I like that. Alright, so that is everything in the box this month. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'm going to be filming a couple more, so I should have like, 3 or 4 more videos up within the next couple weeks. So thank you guys so much for sticking around on my little hiatus, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!